everybody, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change windshield wiper blades and top off windshield washer fluid. First, a little trick for you to make it easier to change the wiper blades. Rather than having to lean over like this and try and get those blades off there, we'll turn the key on, turn the wipers on, and then turn the key off when the wiper blades come up to this position here. This will make it a lot easier for you to change. Now we can simply pull this up like this. There's a little tab that you pull on here, and you've got your wiper blade off. There's a little tab right there that you just push up, and the blade will come right off. Okay, so then we just reinsert it. Okay, we're good to go. The driver's side blade and the passenger side blade, in a lot of cases, are different lengths, so make sure you get the proper length. There we go. You can also, in some cases, just buy the rubber insert part of the wiper blade, but I like to go ahead and get the whole assembly. They're not that much more. And as you can see, there's curvatures in these arms right here. And those curvatures in those arms let the windshield wiper blade go along with the curvature of the glass, so it gets the glass nice and clean. Over a period of time, rust and debris can build up in these arms right here, and the blade, it won't allow the rubber portion to sit on the glass properly. So go ahead and, when you get one of these off, just throw it away, get a whole new assembly. Make sure you get the passenger side and the driver side, do them both at the same time. One other thought, if you're in a snowy condition, you know it's going to snow overnight or get icy, you may want to go ahead and pull these blades up. Get them off the windshield. They won't be frozen to the windshield in the morning. And let's not use the windshield wiper blades as a snowplow. We can use an SRS, a snow removal tool. Okay, we could do that. Or maybe a safer route would be one of these plastic ones here. We want to get the snow and the ice off the windshield before we start the windshield wiper blades. If you try and shove too much snow with these windshield wiper blades, or if the windshield wiper blades are frozen to the windshield, you can do some damage to the windshield wiper motor. This is the motor that makes the blades go back and forth like that, and it sits underneath the cowling right underneath here. So let's not use our wiper blades as snow plows. Let's just use one of these. I like to use something like this Rain-X. It's good to minus 25, and in particular in the wintertime, we don't want to have anything that can get frozen in our windshield washer system. So pure water isn't really going to work too well, especially if it gets below 32 degrees. We could end up damaging a windshield washer pump. So let's get something in there that's good to below 32 degrees. This one, like I said, happens to be to minus 25. So we will top this thing off. And that's it. We're good to go. Okay, now that we're all done, we got wiper blades on here. We've got our windshield washer reservoir full. And the last thing we want to do now is do our windshield wiper blades a little bit of a favor, and let's clean the window real good so that we've got new wiper blades on a good clean piece of glass, and we'll be able to see when it gets rainy and nasty out. I like to use this foamy kind of a windshield cleaner, but you feel free to use what you want. But what I really like to use is a microfiber towel. It does a great job of cleaning the window without leaving streaks on the window. So that's what I do anyway. So hey, thanks for watching the video. If you'd like any more information on automotive classes here at Clackamas Community College, check us out online at clackamas.edu. Come by, let us give you a tour of our newly remodeled shop. We're more than happy to show you what we have to offer. So thanks again. Have a good day. I'm going to finish cleaning up this window here.